If you love cruising like I do, this essential kit is perfect. It's really got everything that I need. We've got quite a few things here. Let's go ahead and start going over all of them. So we've got two camera case holders here. I mean, this is great if you're going to go to by the pool or you're out to the beach, you want to keep it clean, or you want to actually take this underwater and take pictures. And then we have also got some luggage tag holders. So we've got four of these and also these metal rings. I like putting these around my luggage so I can make sure that my luggage actually gets to my room, because typically what you're going to do is you're going to take your documents like this right here, you're going to put it around the handle of your luggage, and there's a chance that it could get ripped off and your luggage would get lost too. So this definitely helps that. We also have a couple of lanyards here, and it also has these nice metal clips here on the end of it. We've got four super strong magnets, because when you're in a room, you usually don't have a whole lot of room, and so this definitely makes things a lot easier. The sides of our rooms are typically metal, so I can go ahead and put that anywhere I need to and go ahead and hang things off. Super, super strong. Oh, look at that. I can I can hardly even get that off there. Also, we've got four card holders here. So when you check into your cruise, they're going to give you a card, and you're going to use that to pay for things and also get into your room. So you've got four of these. So if you want, you can go ahead and use this retractable clip right here, or you can use these two. One's vertical, one's horizontal. And then also, this goes on the back of your phone. You're just going to take maybe the case of your phone off, slip this in, and this way you can go ahead and connect it to a lanyard also. Now this right here is so you can go ahead and, if say you're sitting at a chair by the beach, the wind's blowing, and maybe you just want to make sure your towel doesn't get blown away. You can take this and go ahead and put this around your towel and your chair, and that way it's not going to go anywhere at all. And then of course we've also got a bag. Of course you can put things in this if you're going to go down to the beach, or you just want to put some of your dirty clothes or your shoes, your sandals, and just go ahead and secure those. And then right here we also have, it's 6 functions. This allows you to go ahead and plug in multiple items in your room, because the rooms that I've been into, they typically only have maybe 2 outlets. This gives you 3 additional ones. Also, we have 2 USB-A and a Type-C. So this whole kit makes everything easier, makes cruising so much more fun. I hope you found this review helpful.